Hello and welcome to a short off the mountain. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit shaggy, even though I know, right? So, you got a Jeep, got a 4-liter. You decide, hey, that's a good idea to get that high volume oil pump, and then you go to put the pan back on, and it doesn't really fit. Yeah. So we're gonna fix this because we're doing it. Don't look. But as you can see, it starts to rub on that spot, and then you can't get the pan in exactly. So what we're going to do is we're going to give it a little persuasion. Yeah. Yep. And we're going to tap that little guy down a little bit. And yeah, that way it'll fit. Hopefully this will save somebody else 4 hours off their life. All right, hit it a few times. Just made a little bit of clearance, not a whole lot. We'll see what ends up happening here. But I also put some permanent marker in there so I can see it scratch again, so I know where I'm going. Welcome to post-editing off the mountain. Yes, the marker was the right call. However, you can see from here, the old pump was 3.2 inches. The new pump is 3.5. That's not an insignificant amount. And you could also see on this image that there's some scraping there on the left side of the oil pump. There's your hint. So what ended up happening is I had to beat the living crap out of this to an extent. Not too bad. Like, you can't, on the outside, you can't really see it, but it was not an insignificant amount. I hope this saves you so much time off your life. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Hope to talk to you all very, very soon because I have got a very big update